Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable battery saver on this device. To do this, right-click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, select Power and Sleep settings, then select Energy Saver, and to enable it, switch this toggle to the right. This way you will always use Energy Saver. Otherwise, you can expand this list and select the value as the battery level at which the battery saver should automatically enable. Otherwise, you can use always, and this way the energy saver will enable when your device is plugged out from the power source. By switching this toggle to the left, you can disable the screen brightness lowering when the energy saver enables. And by switching it to the right, the screen brightness will go lower every time you enable the battery saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.